Good night, guys. It's your girl Lucy Amor, and guess where I'm going tonight? Alkaline. We're showing the name Alkaline. I think it's called New Level with Alkaline and Shaggy. I'm so excited. It's my outfit of the night, guys. When I get somewhere a better background, I give you guys my outfit of the night. See you later. Yes, guys, so I'm ready. I'm ready. Them tomorrow, no big event, so I just popped them on for this dirt bike riding. And I put my hat on. Yeah, put my hat on because I know these things call for wind, extreme wind. So I put my hat on. This is my outfit. Look at my shorts, guys. Yeah, that's what's happening with my shorts. So I'm just gonna tie this around my waist so I don't look too X-rated and stuff. Guys, you remember Kino? Yeah, he's the person that I'm going dirt bike riding with. Him and him friend them, they all decided that they wanted to do dirt bike riding today, and I was like, hey, why not? I ain't got nothing doing today, and I've always wanted to go dirt bike riding, so I'm gonna be doing that today. I'm waiting on them. Knowing Kino, it might always take long. Yeah, some of us are going to wait still. I think them probably soon come now, because he messaged me not too long ago asking me if I was ready. Want to come out to the house. I'm so bored. I'm so bored. So yeah, I'll let you guys see the journey to dirt bike riding later, guys.
Fill the bottom now.
Accept I reached out the bush. Dirt bike time. Okay.
No, man.
Shut up. And then I used to Kina already.
You can't see yourself. I really see me a party a yang. So what am I talking about? I did dance to that. You see me do the dance?
Yeah.
So you have the phone right
there. Things.
The automatic bike? Yeah. No 4-wheeler? Alright.
That's the one there.
I want down how much up? How much give them out?
So can you change your shoes for?
Yes! You did say. You never get no practice in that. That's probably easy. No long me ride bike. Come tell me, bro. I don't watch it today. I will fuck more and go for a bike.
Wait, come in. Jesus. Tell him your name. Tell him your name.
Oh, you're recording?
Yes.
Come on,
I'm Pam. This is Pam. And we're both going dirt bike riding. Jesus. Okay. Huh? Look at him there.
Wait. I'm not going on a bike by myself.
You're not going on a bike by yourself?
No.
Fred?
Yeah.
I want to ride. I'm not scared. Even if I don't know, they better show me.
I'm not adventurous.
I'm so excited to ride. Don't know if I'm going to fall off, but I'm still excited.
Good evening.
Evening.
Best rider there.
The least accident I have is with female. I have
no, do no bugger. I'm just take it.
excitement. They want just take the time when I enjoy the ride.
Under the gear.
All the gear thing going on.
I provide you with the helmet and the vest.
No, the gears them there.
Secure up now?
Long time. The time them secure the place, I make sure I'm buying the bush shot, leave on them.
I don't understand that. If they secure the place for you.
Make sure every night it's secure and all the little madman that they are waiting for something to ride past, jump on fire.
On the night.
Too steep.
You're already like a Freddy. We are clean. Where's my super suit? Where's my super suit?
Outfit of the day. Black jacket. And denim hat.
Damn. Hold it up. Hold it up. Alright, ladies. You're hearing me? Don't put your foot on the ground no matter what. Don't put your foot on the ground.
This feels so uncomfortable. Yeah, so uncomfortable. And messing up my eyebrows. Messing up my damn eyebrows. Look back here, look back here. Look here, I can't ride bike now.
Boy, Kibo. Boy, Kibo.
Oh my god! Look like a ninja turtle.
Kibo so like a snail. Yo, that was Kibo. Kibo, watch it again. Yo, Kibo, speed!
Alright?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're walking down this freaking steep track to get to the bikes. Oh, look, steep. Yes, Kino! You can get it now. Oh god.
White one. One
Yeah.
brake,
Bikes!
turn easy, and it's more freer than the blue one. You get on it.
Why?
Freer.
Let's jump up on the bike. I don't know how I'm a vlog and ride.
Oh, you're videoing? Hold on.
Okay guys, so you want to video it while we go around and then I come back first?
Yeah, let's do that. Hold on, wait, let me show you out. Let me get some pictures first.
Here's how we're going, guys. We're going.
Right, this is the brake.
Which one? This?
Brake. Yes.
You have to put the two of them together?
You don't
Either
have to use
or?
both of them. You can use one or two, but practice to use both of them, especially this one, because when you're going on the trail,
Yeah.
you're going to have a downhill and you need the foot one because it's the back brake and you need it.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
So practice to use both of them, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
So this is brake,
Yes.
and gas.
And gas. Push the brake. Just squeeze your foot down on it.
No?
And now come on.
On. Back on. Hers on. This one not on.
Hold
So
the
you have to
brake.
squeeze it all that. Yeah. This one?
understand how much gas you give it.
Whoa!
Well, it's a go move off when you get it. Brakes? Yes, yes.
I'm scared.
Alright, you ready now? Feel like you're ready to move off? Because I don't put it in drive. Don't go, take your time.
Boys. Them boys. Them boys. Them boys. Come in. Yeah. I have to cut my own. Mama, give my own. Okay guys, so I'm climbing back up the hill. I want to fix my hair. My hair is a mess, I have to say though. I enjoyed it. It was fun. Okay, so guys, check out Dirt Adventures in Boscobel. Yes, so it's Dirt Bike Adventures in Boscobel, St.Mary, and the lady's name is Christina Smith. She's really cool and fun, and the bike adventure is fun too. I want to go some more. I want to do some more. So I don't know, I'll see you guys on our way back to Kingston. If this is where we close off the vlog for this part of the adventure, I don't know. But yeah, I just came up here to fix my makeup and fix my hair. I think the helmet kind of took off my eyebrows, but I don't mind, I had fun. Guys, still riding. It's fun. Dirt bike adventures. Try it, guys. So much fun.
Save yourself! Save yourself! For the time of disaster, save yourself! If you crash low the bike, just save yourself! Remember all I under, save yourself! Aye! We just buy a brand new bike.
Okay guys, so I'm back home now. My little adventure was really fun. The guys didn't get to say goodbye because my battery died, so I just charged it for like 5 minutes just to say bye. So I'm home on the outside actually, just to try to get some fresh air, you know, and thing. I mean, I really wish I could have vlog somewhere for you guys. Let me go inside so we can talk to you somewhere, guys. Yeah, people on the outside are looking, and y'all know how I feel about the vlogging. Y'all know how I feel about vlogging with people around me. Yeah, so what I was saying, basically, I had such a grand time today. It was so much fun. It was the first time I ever went bike bike ride, not what you call it, dirt bike riding. It was the first time for me ever dirt bike riding, and I felt like I was doing it for such a long time, because within the first 3 minutes I was just maneuvering that bike, and I'm definitely going to go again. I'm definitely going to go again, because I enjoyed it so much. Yeah, so I'm happy also that I got to do something today, so that I was able to vlog and give you guys some different kind of footages and stuff. Yeah, excited much. But just did want me to know, say I'm home still, and close off this part of the clip or the vlog. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. I'm not sure yet. I probably will. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's my outfit. My shorts was so short today, guys. My shorts was so short today, but anyway, I love it. I love it. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the red button below, that subscribe button. Also tap the bell, the notification bell, so that you guys can get notified when I upload new videos, whether it's vlogs or content videos. Yeah, and thank you all for tuning into my channel today. Alicia Amor signing out. See you in my next vlog, and I love you, mi amors. Love you guys.